subtopic called isotopes. So in this lesson, we will define what is isotopes and the properties of isotopes. Alright. So what is isotopes? Alright, isotope defined as this. The atoms of the same element, remember, atoms of the same element, they have different number of neutrons. We call them isotopes. For example, like oxygen, it has 3 isotopes. Oxygen 16, oxygen 17, and oxygen 18. Right? So what make them different? They have different number of neutrons. For example, like oxygen 16, it has 8 neutrons. Oxygen 17, it has 9. Oxygen 18, it has 10 neutrons. Right? So remember, they are same element, oxygen. They are all oxygen, but they have different number of neutrons. So they are isotopes. Alright? The isotopes of oxygen. Alright? So example of some common isotopes, for example, like just now, oxygen. Hydrogen also has isotopes. There are 3 isotopes. Hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, and hydrogen 3. So take note that the number of neutrons here are different. So they are isotopes. Alright? Carbon also. Carbon 12, 13, 14. Number of neutrons are also different. Chlorine also, there's 2. Chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Number of neutrons also different. So what is the property of isotope? Alright? Alright, isotope, recall that isotope is the atom of same element. They have different number of neutrons. So since they are same number of same element, so they have same number of electrons. Right? Just the number of neutrons different. The electrons are still the same because they are same element, right? Oxygen, for example. So since they have same number of electrons, they have same electronic configuration. Right? For example, oxygen 16, 17, 18, their electronic configuration is 2, 6. Right? They all are 2, 6. Right? So since they have same electronic configuration, they will have same chemical properties. Alright? So this is today's lesson, what is isotopes and the properties of isotopes. So in daily life, isotopes are commonly used in, like, for example, like medicine field. For example, like cobalt-60 is used in radiotherapy for cancer treatment. Right? For example, like there's a tumor here in this person's body. So the machine will emit the cobalt-60 gamma ray. The cobalt-60 here will emit some radioactive ray, like gamma ray, to kill the cancer cell. Alright. Another isotope, iodine 131, is used in diagnose and treat thyroid disorders. Alright, thyroid is here, thyroid gland. Alright. So because why use iodine 131? Because thyroid gland will absorb iodine. Alright, this thyroid gland will absorb iodine. So if the thyroid gland is mutated in cancer, so you use the iodine, the radioactive iodine. This is radioactive iodine. Alright, it will emit radioactive materials to kill the thyroid gland. Right? So how to kill? The doctor will ask you to eat this pill contains the radioactive iodine. Then the pill will emit the iodine, radioactive iodine, to kill the thyroid gland cells. Right? Either cancer cell or normal cell, they will kill them all. Alright? So you can prevent the cancer, the tumor to grow lah. Alright? So this is today's lesson. Thank you.